Cancer, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2025. Ayan, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, let's see Cancer. What's up for February 2025? Tree of Life. Oh, I think you're going to be very productive. Marami kang magagawa ngayong February. Kahit na ilang araw lang ang February. Ilang araw ba ngayon ang February? 28, oo. Kahit 28 days lang yan, feeling ko mas marami kang ma-accomplish ngayong February kesa nung mga nakaraang buwan. Oo, very productive ka. This is also about abundance, no? Blessings. Maaring may mga blessings na darating sa'yo na kumbaga parang yan yung tutulong sa'yo na mas mag-grow sa trabaho mo, mag-grow sa business mo, magkaroon ng personal growth. You also have the sky. Parang sky is the limit sa inyo. Sky is the limit. This is expansion. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring may expansion sa business, or maaring kung may trabaho ka, mas lalawak yung responsibilities mo dahil na promote ka, 'di ba? So there's definitely growth for you ngayong February. You are reaping the rewards, kumbaga, ng mga pinaghirapan mo. Also, you're going to be more inspired, no? Maaring meron kang bagong idea, or dahil sa growth mo, dahil sa nangyayaring expansion for you, mas nagiging inspired ka, mas motivated ka. You have crystal. This is healing. You are aligning yourself to your destiny. You are aligning yourself to your goals. Wow, okay. Let's see what else. Some of you, nahihilig kayo sa crystals ngayon. Maaring you are wearing yung inyong birthstone, or you are wearing crystals to attract the energy of a certain crystal. So your overall energy is the devil. Oh, yung iba sa inyo maaring merong Capricorn energy. So the devil is about obsessing sa isang bagay. So maaring yung iba sa inyo, this is obsession sa success. You are becoming more obsessed on what you want to become, or kung saan mo gustong maging very successful. Kaya lang, pag tayo ay na-obsess sa isang bagay, we tend to forget yung iba nating mga responsibilities, or we tend to set aside other responsibilities. 'Di ba? Na halimbawa, naka-focus ka sa sa trabaho mo. Pero may mga anak ka pala, may family ka, may romantic partner ka, or may iba ka pang trabaho na hindi mo na naaasikaso dahil you are obsessing about a certain area of your life, no? And also, I think this has something to do with your healing as well, no? Na maaring you are also letting go of your unhealthy habits. You're letting go of your unhealthy habits. Your challenge is the 7 of Wands. Ang challenge sa'yo is kung paano ka magsaset ng boundaries. Kasi may tendency na, yung iba sa inyo, no? May tendency na parang akuin lahat ng responsibilidad. Or minsan you feel for others na nahihirapan, tapos ikaw na yung aako kahit hindi mo naman responsibility. But in the end, mas nahihirapan ka. 'Diba? So, your challenge is to set boundaries. And your opportunity, the Ace of Wands, so merong bagong simula, exciting new beginning that is coming to you, Cancer. This can be travel opportunities, or yung iba sa inyo, kung gusto nyo mag-abroad, maaring may pagkakataon ngayon, no, na mag-apply or mag-ayos ng mga papers. Your blessing is the Two of Cups. So, as a blessing, meron ditong partnership. This can be business partnership. Some of you, if you are single, maaring mas parang ano kayo ngayon, free. Yung parang, kung single ka, no, syempre free ka. Ibig sabihin yan is, mas welcoming ka rin sa mga new perspective or potential partners. Oo. Yun nga lang, syempre, yung challenge mo is how to set boundaries na kung bago pa lang, syempre, kailangan kilalanin mo muna. Oo. 'Di ba? Kilalanin muna bago ma-fall. Bago ma-fall harder. Okay. And I think now, if this is a business opportunity for you, business partnership, collaboration, kayo ay this is going to be successful. Ooh, sa mga may relationship dyan, you will experience sexual fulfillment, satisfaction. Maaring you have a partner na alam kung ano yung mga needs mo. At kaya niyang ibigay yon. Pwedeng ikaw rin, kaya mo rin ibigay yung needs ng partner mo. And then, assessment. You are evaluating your options. So, maaring maraming opportunities na darating, pero hindi lahat yan makakabuti for you. Kaya pinag-aaralan mo kung ano yung i-consider mo. Kung sino yung pipiliin mo. Kasi pwedeng hindi lang yan trabaho or career path, pwede rin may opportunity for a new relationship, pero meron ding iba pang potential, no? You're also healing from your past trauma. Some of you, pwedeng ang isa sa blessing ninyo is meeting your soulmate. Yes. Okay, meron ditong exploration. Maaring if you are planning na mag-move to a new place or mag-relocate, pwedeng maging challenging yan sa inyo, ha? Kasi unlikely yung nakalagay dito. Pwedeng kinoconsider nyo, pero I think ngayong February, hindi pa yan mapupursu. Okay? So, syempre, depende na yan sa magiging takbo ng ng sitwasyon. Kasi pwedeng ipilit mo, 'di ba? Diba? Indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. Nako. Ayun, may mga bagay na hindi kayo makapag-desisyon. Syempre, pag hindi ka makapag-decide, walang direksyon, 'di ba? Oo. So, yun yung isa sa pwedeng ma-experience ninyo, like challenge ninyo pagdating sa anong path yung tatahakin nyo. Ayan. Some of you, medyo matigas ang ulo, no? Na kung ano yung gusto nyo, sige, push. Kahit na alam nyo parang medyo alanganin. Someone is trying to come between you and a friend or something you want. Oh, okay. May mga pumipigil. Merong mga may nagbablock ng ng focus mo. So, iwasan mo yung mga ganyan. Merong marriage. So, some of you, pwedeng pagpasok sa isang seryosong relationship or a business partnership. Or I also see this as a commitment, no? So, i-commit mo yung sarili mo sa kung saan ka talaga mas interesado. Breathe. The calmer you are, the more time slows down and the easier it is to get everything done. Yes, kalmahan mo lang daw. Huwag kang yung magpaapekto sa paligid mo dahil sila ay natetense o kaya sila minamadali ka. Take your time, no? And at the same time, mag-decide ka rin. Kasi yung iba, nagpo-procrastinate na eh, no? Oo. So, mag-decide ka rin. Pumili ka rin. Kasi kung matatagalan ka dyan, then definitely, magkakaroon yan ng stagnancy or masastuck ka. Okay? So, yes. That is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.